Hello everyone, I'm here staying at the hotel because tomorrow I'm voting and I forgot to register in my new state. So I wanted to show you guys a minimalist skincare routine. Very easy, most of these products are travel size. First, I am going to use the Kate Somerville Exfoliate Cleanser. This is one of my go-to cleansers. I use it a lot actually. And what I love about it is that it has fruit enzymes from pineapple and papaya, and also glycolic and lactic acid. So it helps to exfoliate, and it also helps to maintain the skin clear, brighten, and with really clean pores. So let's start with this first. This is a brand new one. Let's open it. Yes. So here I'm gonna take a good amount, probably just kind of like that amount, and I'm gonna massage it on my face. So watch this. And then I like using these discs. There's an exfoliating side and then like a cloth side, kind of to remove, like you scrub and then you remove. And these you can find at Dollar Tree, really, like a three pack for $1. I'm going to sneeze, hold on. I'm back. So let's wet it. I'm here at my hotel room. I like hot water actually at the beginning. It's not really hot, but let's pretend. And then you kind of work it, you know, just really go for it. And you're kind of lifting the dead skin cells first. And then with the other side, you're gonna sweep those dead skin cells away. These are really cool, inexpensive tool. If you don't have Clarisonic, which is my favorite, I'm still devastated by that. But I also have a Pharrell, so whatever you like. Right now, we're thinking, I'm traveling, I want to be minimalistic, and what can I do to make it happen, to make it easy? So, all right, so I'm gonna rinse my face, BRB. I wanted to mention that another option could be the face cloth that it's already in the bathroom. So if you are already taking a shower, just, you know, put your cleanser first and then let it sit there for a couple of minutes, then work it with this. That probably would be really good and very minimalistic since you don't have to bring anything with you. So the second step is going to be a toner. This is the Pixi Skin Treats Glow Tonic Exfoliating Toner with 5% glycolic acid, aloe vera, and ginseng. So here, see, it's the travel size. I found a little set at CVS on clearance. It was 75% off, so you really don't have to break the bank. I'm using this pad from Ulta. I'm almost out. And you're going to take a little bit of the toner. You know, following a theme here, we're exfoliating and renewing, accelerating cell renewal. You swipe. Feels so good. Smells also nice. If I can link the products below, I will. No promises, but hopefully I can get some links so you can actually check out these products yourself. So make sure we're thorough. I also do my head because I have an overactive scalp, and it really helps me a lot to use all my exfoliants and toners on my head. Forget the back of your neck. I always like spraying my face right after toner. and it allows my serum to be received better. Like, you can penetrate better, you know, it's your skin is receptive and hydrated. This one is the Vitamin Wake Up Mist from Pixie, also with orange blossom and citrus extracts. Smells so good. Let's do it. I love this stuff. Make sure you saturate your skin really well. And then I'm going to use the Ordinary Vitamin C Suspension 23% with hyaluronic acid spheres. And that's one of the main reasons I'm spraying my face first. I'll try to put a picture next to this. And having the skin already saturated with water, it will allow the hyaluronic acid to get activated. This is one of my favorite things from The Ordinary. Write a comment down below if you would like an Ordinary review. I have some new products that I got in an order, so I cannot wait to actually do a review for you guys. I like this, it's kind of very nourishing. It has a lot of squalane in the formulation, so I absolutely love it. Then you activate it some more. So let's do it. My favorite thing. I have very dry skin, so anything I can do to be hydrated, I will do it. Check it out. Next step is going to be a couple of drops, just a few drops of the Herbivore Emerald Cannabis Sativa Hemp Deep Moisture Glow Oil. Almost done with it. I was surprised that I actually love this oil. I'm going to do like one drop here, one drop here, one drop here. And just spread it. I like putting my oil before moisturizer, so you know. Ultimately, it's all about how you enjoy doing your skincare, because if it's better to be consistent than to actually hate the odor. Now I love this oil. And now I'm going to do my towel. I'm going to do my eye cream. I like doing the eye cream first before the moisturizer. I feel like the moisturizer kind of goes over everything. So here is the amount I'm using for both eyes. And this is mini travel size, really cute, of the Case Somerville Plus Retinol Eye Cream. Very cool eye cream. Has a retinol, a retinoid, it has gusciol, it has Spanish needle extract. So very effective yet gentle retinol form of eye cream. Very gentle, very effective product. So I massage it. The rest I always put it on my lips. I'm sorry, I keep looking at the wrong side because I normally set the camera on this side. And I did something different today and it's screwing me up, but don't worry. Things will get better once I get my new camera. Sooner than later. And then if I have anything left, like here, towel. And last but not least, I have a lot of Case Somerville products. As you might know, we were working together for a while. This is the new Delicate Cream. Delicate Recovery Cream. Loaded with ceramides. This is a barrier builder, if you want to call it that way. It protects your skin barrier. So it has ceramides and it will help with any kind of irritation. I love the thickness of it. Since I'm dry, let me show you. You don't need a lot, really. I put more than what I need, but because of my hand in. Honestly, I can probably put the whole little jar on my face, and I'm still going to be dry tomorrow. So, have issues. Alright, so let me massage this cream really in. I'll be right back. So I'm also doing my head because my head gets really dry as well. Even though it's overactive, it's just complicated mess. The back of my neck. I always do my whole neck. This is amazing for lips. Actually, if you can only get a mini of this eye cream to put it on your lips at night, it's just well worth it. Just do it. And this is how we conclude our minimalistic I'm traveling to vote. I'm traveling to vote skincare routine. So we're doing first exfoliate cleanser. The mini of this $19 at Sephora, Amazon, wherever you go, Ulta.com, whatever. And then after that, I did my Pixie toner, the Glow Tonic exfoliating toner, and then I sprayed, you know, actually I also sprayed right after the moisturizer, I forgot. Here it is. Then your serum. Then after the serum is vitamin C and hyaluronic acid from The Ordinary, very inexpensive. Spray again. Then do your oil. This is the emerald oil from Herbivore. Eye cream. And the Delicate moisturizer from Kate Somerville. That is the best lip balm ever. So here you have it. Minimal yet effective. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe and get also into the notifications so you know when I have a new video coming. And what else can I say? There's a lot more content coming. I have another vlog where I document this channel and my Total Wellness Finance channel. So I'm gonna put the links below. And if I can, I will put links below. Might be affiliated, but you know, we earn a little commission, not much, but it helps. You know, this is a new channel, and the plan is to grow this channel to be a main, if not the main, beauty / skincare / luxury / who knows. So thank you for watching. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.